When installing flexible metal conduit to electrical boxes or enclosures, one of the most economical ways you can do so when you need to connect the flexible metal conduit is to use the old 2-screw connector with a flange. The way that this product is used, you simply slide the flexible metal conduit inside of the connector, and then you screw down the 2 clamping screws, which tightens on to the flexible metal conduit. You then can remove the locking nut and install this product right into a provided conduit knockout. This product ranges in size from 3/8 up to 2 inches for flexible metal conduit and MC cable. For these and other great products, visit us online at garvinindustries.com.